edge storage is a concept for network backup use case for many years, and the most popular density is from 8 gigabyte to 32 gigabyte as a low density for this use case. Now with the high capacity micro SD card available in the market today, it's pretty more practical for the use case to use edge storage as primary storage, and that can bring more value to the industry for the end customer or system integrator from architecture perspective. The use case we foresee and we saw from the market today is the VSaaS, so-called video surveillance as a service. This can be more convenient for some specific sectors, like not only for the consumer sector, but more for the commercial sector, like school, manufacturing factories, or small medium office buildings. And with the enabling edge storage as one of the storage options, they can lower the bandwidth consumptions, and they can reduce the concern for privacy, because you don't have to upload all the data into the cloud, but still have the cloud management capabilities. And most importantly, it's more cost-effective storage options from total cost of ownership perspective. So we believe this is the use case and more perfect fit into the market today. So you have to consider about constant video recordings 24/7, and you cannot take any risk of data loss. So high quality, high endurance, reliable micro SD card is very critical for the industry. First of all is the NAND technology inside. The other one is the firmware optimizations. How you optimize your firmware can meet the requirements like constant video recordings with the high quality videos. So that's the other challenges. And you have to also consider about some advanced features like healthy monitorings or some more security log functions you can measure to meet the market requirement today, like cyber securities. And the last one is the quality itself. If you can have your memory card can support this type of video recordings in a very long time, like 2-3 years. So a smart, secure, reliable security card is very critical, and that's the key difference between surveillance grade and consumer grade micro SD cards.